light? Light is a form of energy. Light helps us see things. When there is no light, then it is dark. We cannot see in dark. Light travels in straight line. There is less light when we go away from light source. Sources of light. A source of light makes light. There are many sources like stars, fires, torches, sun, candles, and lamps. Some animals like fireflies and glowworms are also light sources. They make their own light to attract their partners. Luminous and non-luminous objects. Something that gives light by its own is called luminous object. Example of luminous objects are sun, burning coal, and a candle. Something that cannot give out light by itself is non-luminous. Example are window, table, pencil, etc. We see the non-luminous objects when light from luminous objects shines on them. We cannot see non-luminous objects in dark. The moon is non-luminous and is seen when light from sun falls on it. A mirror is not a source of light. It does not make its own light. It just sends back the light which strikes it. Transparent, translucent, and opaque objects. Transparent objects. The objects which allow light to pass through them. For example, glass, air, and water. Translucent objects. The objects through which we cannot see clearly. For example, frosted glass, butter paper, and tracing papers are example of translucent materials. Opaque objects. If we cannot see through something at all, then it is called opaque object. For example, wood, stone, brick, etc. Shadows. A beam of light travels in a straight line. If an object is placed in the path of light, it makes a dark patch. This dark patch is called a shadow. The shadow of an object is same shape as the object. If the object is near the light source, its shadow is big. If the object is far from the light source, its shadow is small. Shadows are also made by sunlight. When the sun is directly above our head, our shadow is made under our feet. In the morning and evening our shadows are longer.